Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a truly unique piece of gear from Nitecore, the EDC17, which is a compact, high-performance flashlight that combines 3 precision light sources in one slim stainless steel body. It features a powerful 1500 lumens white light, a high-penetration UV beam, and a bright Class 3R green beam, offering unmatched versatility for everyone, from professional to everyday carry. Let's dive in and see what makes this device so special. And before we start, how about a like, share, and subscribe to show us some support. And if you want to see our videos as soon as we upload them, turn on the notification bell. Now let's see what comes in the box. The EDC17 flashlight, USB-C charging cable, a lanyard, a tail end replacement piece, and the manual. The core appeal of the EDC17 is its versatility, featuring triple light outputs in a single flashlight to cover all your needs, essentially replacing 3 tools some of maybe you carrying on a daily basis. And with a pocket knife style design, it's easy to carry with your current EDC setup. First, we have the white light, a powerful illuminator with a max output of 1500 lumens and a max beam distance of 251 yards. And it's offering 4 brightness levels from the max all the way to 1 lumen for any environment. This range makes it suitable for any situation, from outdoor search to reading a map. Second is UV light for detection and inspection. With the 3 adjustable power outputs, 220 mW, 650 mW, and 1350 mW, ranging from wavelength 365 to 375 nanometer. It's perfect for verifying currency, detecting leaks, or ghost scorpion hunting. And the third one is a green beam for precision pointing and alignment. This is a bright, visible Class 3R green beam that is compliant with safety standards and excellent for outdoor guidance, presentation in a large hall, or precise alignment tasks for construction and maintenance, or if you just want to play with your pet. Unlike the previous EDCs, the EDC17 has a unique operation switch. It's built around an intuitive one-hand dual control layout, the slide switch and the button. The slide switch is the primary control. Slide it forward toward the head to turn the light on and backward to turn it off. While the light is on, sliding the switch cycles through the brightness level. For the white light, you go low, mid, and high, or the power level for the UV light, level 1, level 2, and level 3. The button is the mode or the multifunction selector. A short press of the button switches between the 3 light sources: white, green beam, UV, and back to white light. The flashlight remembers the last light source you were using. And for direct access, holding the button while the light is off to instantly activate the green beam. And to get the 1 lumen ultra low white light, hold the button, then slide the switch forward. And to combine white light and green beam, hold the button while the light is on. Everything in the new design was well thought for easy and comfortable use. The way it's designed feels natural in hand. The slide switch is triangle with a contour to fit your thumb comfortably, make it easier to push it and pull it. You may notice that this flashlight looks very familiar to something you carry almost every day. Reason why? To give you better grip. The EDC17 excels in its compact and stylish EDC design. It's about ½ an inch thick and less than 5 inches long. It's noticeably thinner than most multi-light flashlights, and its weight's only 3.73 ounces, allowing it to slip into pocket without any major bulk. The form is highly ergonomic and minimalist. The smooth contours and the intuitive positioning of the side-mounting side switch and the button makes single-handed operation a breeze. And the tail end has a large, curved design combined with the textures on the side to allow firm grip so it won't slide out of your hand even if it's wet. It is made from high-strength premium stainless steel, which means you don't have to worry about dropping it because it's also 2-meter impact resistant. It features a durable, deep carry stainless steel pocket clip, and it's also IPX7 waterproof rating, confirming it's built for both urban and field conditions. It also comes with a glass break-in tip pre-installed on the tail, and they included a smooth end cap. You can swap it for everyday carry. And the EDC17 uses an internal 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery that gives you a whopping 260 hours on ultra mode. That's almost 11 days of consistent lighting. And the UV light gives you 13 hours on level 1. And when using the green beam, it gives you 72 hours of runtime. Now that's insane numbers. And when it's time to recharge it, it's rechargeable by USB-C charge port, located near the head on the other side of the sliding switch, protected by a cover to keep out dust and water. And on the side, you find the battery indicator to let you know how much juice left, so you know exactly when it's time to recharge it to avoid the dark moments. This efficient system assures you have power across all 3 light sources for a long period of time. And now, let's see what this bad boy can do at night. The 1500 lumen high mode of white light is intensely impressive. It produces a broad, bright beam with a noticeable hotspot, throwing light out to over 250 yards. which is significant for a light of this size. Mid-mode is 220 lumens. That offers a very practical level of general walk-in or equipment checking. Low mode is 50 lumen, which is great for indoor use or close-up lighting without blinding yourself or others. And the ultra-low mode is only 1 lumen, perfect for map reading without losing your night vision. And the UV light offering 3 output level, which I've never seen before. Instantly reveal fluorescent material, checking counterfeit money, identifying hidden stains, or ghost scorpion hunting. It's a clean UV light, effective without the visible purple spill often found on low-quality UV torches. And the green beam is exceptionally bright and crisp, visible even against ambient daylight, making it a reliable tool for long-distance pointing. Let me tell you what I think about the EDC17, because this is one of the most comfortable flashlights I ever held in my hand. It feels right. In my entire life, I don't remember one time saying, I need a light to see what's going on a mile away. Or let me light up this entire football field. So the big numbers is not for me. But I always remember wishing I have a UV light when I go on vacation to check the cleanliness of my room. And professionally, I don't need the green beam. But it's a lot of fun to play with my dog. And to tell you a secret, this is my favorite Nitecore EDC light. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.